Alright, home theater fans, let's get right to it. The Xgimi Titan Noir series just launched, and trust me, this isn't your usual portable projector. The Titan Noir is Xgimi's first real shot at true dedicated home cinema, and boy, it shows. If you jumped on those Kickstarter pre-orders for around $3,000, you scored an absolute steal, because this thing's contrast and brightness are wild for that price. But, at its full retail of $5,199? Now you're up against the big dogs like Sony and JVC, so it's not quite the obvious choice. Let's talk specs. You're looking at up to 7,000 ISO lumens. Seriously, this thing is bright. For movies, it runs at a more refined 5,000 lumens, and the native contrast hits a legit 10,001. That means real deep blacks and brilliant highlights. It's using triple RGB lasers and a 0.47-inch DMD chip, so picture quality is sharp. Gamers, you get 4K at 60 Hz with super low input lag, or 1080p at 240 Hz if you want blistering response. But here's what really makes it special: the dual intelligent iris system. There are two physical irises that adjust in real time, not just digitally, so you get those inky blacks without losing your bright whites. That's what Noir is all about. This thing's built to stay put. It weighs almost 18 pounds and ditches smart TV features for pure image quality. You'll need your own streaming stick, but that's the trade-off for top-tier visuals. No rainbow effect either. The new filter knocks it down by 95%, and it's nearly silent while running. Quick heads up, no 4K at 120 Hz, so PC gamers might feel left out. And yes, there've been a few early bugs in super dark scenes, but updates are rolling out. Pro tip? Pair it with an ALR screen and you'll unlock its full magic, even if your room isn't pitch black.